Hello and how are you? In this tutorial, we will see how to set up multiple environments or profiles in Visual Studio Code. The first thing, why is it important? So, if you are a web developer, you can have uh, a profile for work, a profile for YouTube, profile for personal, things like that. So we will create the profiles. The first is personal profile. The second one is demo profile. The third one is the teaching profile. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, you need to open a blank Visual Studio Code. So here is mine. Will click on the settings bar and go to profile. Consider the default which I'm currently in, then other profiles. I will click on create profile. I want to create an empty profile and I will just set the name for it to be a personal. Okay, personal. Now we are in our personal thing. And when you just, and like you can see, it doesn't have like anything, so we'll have to edit the default. So this is my default. I want to set this default to my tutorial. So we'll create a new one. Create from the column. Just call it tutorial. Until it says we have our tutorial profile. We will go here and create a new profile and just call it teaching because I am also a teacher. So create an empty file and just set it to be teaching until it says. And now you can see profile. We have our default, which is this, and but we will delete this one because we don't need it anymore. So I will just click on. Okay, so I will have to go and log into my, let's see, my tutorials. Then just say delete profile and just say default. So the default can can't be like deleted for some reason, but it is. We have it, and we can like here. I will go to my extension, install the live server. So live server. This I have already something valid. So I have it, and I can just switch to my personal. You can see that it is not installed and I have to install it. So I will install it like this. And this is how you can make multiple of profiles in Visual Studio Code. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button for more of the same. Thank you very much.